In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Flowers. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, open it. Then to mute the music, hit at the bottom left corner or select consent and then tap at the bottom left corner. When you're ready, click on this gear at the top left one. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, tap at the top right corner. Then bottom right corner. Set as live wallpaper, yes, set wallpaper, and last but not least, select one of those options in the pop-up to decide where you wish to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!